What a beautiful day to drive, especially in this 2025 Ford Maverick XLT with desert sand exterior, navy pure aspen gray interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2-liter EcoBoost engine paired with automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include a 12-volt outlet, air conditioning, selectable drive modes, and more. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. We'll be happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, manual adjustable driver's seat, lighting controls, all-weather mat. Sliding into the vehicle, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button to start it. On the face of the steering wheel, dash controls, volume controls and media, and your hand-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer, important messages and vital vehicle information. You can also switch modes from normal to sport, tow haul, or when it's slippery, or eco and slippery. Your center stack features the FordPass Connect infotainment system with a 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more. Now, you can go to the features for towing, driver assistant if you need to know any other information on the owner's manual, and the settings to add your phone, fix the clock sound or connectivity, or change your display. AM and FM satellite radio when you want a backup camera treats you well, making sure you see what's behind you. Here we're gonna put it back to parking. Different car functions, including the volume, a passenger airbag if you would like to turn it on or off, emergency lights, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and USB-C charging ports, extra room for storage, your rotary gear shift dial, 2 cup holders, your electric parking brake, traction control, and a console with storage below. Your glove compartment, dual sun visors, sunglasses holder, and lighting controls. 17-inch carbon gray aluminum wheels, mud flaps, black door handles with intelligent access, sun visors, easy fuel capless filler. In the rear, your backup camera is below the Ford badge, trailer tow hitch. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle, push it down. A nice flat bed with a mat, tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're done, just lift it up, close it, and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and power windows in the door. The seating is for 3 60/40 splits, so you can fold the seats up and maximize your in-cabin storage, as you can see. And when you're done, just pull the tab back. There you are. An armrest with 2 cup holders, anchors for baby seat, a slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, all-weather mat with extra mats, USB-C charging ports, a grab handle and speaker in the body, and a dome light. Backup camera in the rear, adjustable black side view mirrors, mud flaps, LED headlights and fog lights, windshield wipers, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd like to hear your comments.